Oh my goodness. Oh, dark blue. Hey guys, so welcome to my channel. We are being joined by my 2-year-old today. And don't mind my eyelids yet, that's just concealer. I haven't set them yet. And I lost my brush. Sorry. So, what is today? Tuesday! And what do we do on Tuesday? Palette Roulette! And what do we do Palette Roulette with? The last week's Throwback Palette Thursday palette! Do you like my song? I was a cheerleader, not really. I would have been a horrible cheerleader. Wow, you're done. So, the palette for today's Palette Roulette is the 39A from Morphe. And I'm going to be doing 4 colors that my phone picks for me, and I will be choosing one just in case I get all darks and I need a light, or all lights and I maybe want a dark. So I will be using my phone, and this is a surprise. I don't have any of my makeup picked. I don't have anything except my base on right now. So it's a surprise to everyone, and let's do this because there are so many colors. I have to take the phone away from my daughter for a minute. She is not going to be happy. So obviously, to count, we're going to go, I found that plastic piece, by the way. We're going to start from here and go this way. So there is 39 colors. Let's start with the first color, 9. So 9 is this beautiful, rich, fudgy brown right here. Oh my gosh. This is gorgeous. It's like pure chocolate. That's what it looks like. Alright, the second color is 25. Oh my goodness. Oh, dark blue. Okay. Thanks, Palette Roulette, for screwing me. Oh, no. Okay, the next color is 19. I think that's a transition shade, actually. 16, 17, 18, 19. Yes. Alright, so we have our first transition shade, and it is this one here, which I actually have never used. So thanks, Palette Roulette. I don't know what I'm doing with this look. Oh, dear. Okay. You guys will see in a minute. Alright, next color is 20. What is 20? It's another transition shade, and that is this orange color here. So, that is my 4 shades. I honestly have no clue what I'm doing here. Okay. So this is what I have, and I get to choose one color. This looks very similar to the color palettes I kind of did in this look right here. Oh no. I don't want to do that same look. Why? Alright, oh man. Alright, pause, because this is going to take a hot minute for me to figure out what color I want. Alright, so I think I found the color I want to do. I think I want to go in with this 4th shade here because I actually got all mattes and I do want some shimmer. This is going to be a pretty dark look, but that's okay. Okay, so I think I can make all of these colors work right here. And I think I'm just going to use that blue on the lower lash line as like a pop of that. Wish me luck! So, quick recap on the colors. I am using this color. I am using, what was that one? Oh yes, this color. I am using this color, and this color. So those are the 5 colors I am using in this palette. And let's go. Let's do this. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. This is gonna be so horrible. Alright, we are going in with that kind of light brown transition shade. This one. And I am putting this right on my brow bone. Oh, I just realized my fan's on. That's probably annoying. Sorry about the beginning if there was like that fan sound. I completely forgot that my heater was on because this sunroom is freezing. So, let's do this. We don't know what we're doing, but we're doing it. I have actually never used this transition color, so it's a first for both of us. Not even mad. We're gonna go slightly out today. This looks so much darker on my eye than it actually looks in the pan. I think what I'm gonna do is do that orange shade, kind of mix it in a little bit, and I'm just taking that same brush. So I am now using the orange shade right next to it, right here. And I'm just gonna use the same brush and kind of blend it in softly underneath. I mean, that's actually really beautiful, and these are perfect for fall, almost winter. So, yes, palette roulette, yes. It's so funny that it used almost all the same shades I did in my first Throwback Palette Thursday video. So, what's up with that? Oh, sorry as I stab you in the face, baby. Didn't mean to do that. Oh, okay, is that funny? Alright, I'm actually taking those two colors together that we just used, that brown and that orange, and I'm just kind of dragging that and smoking out that lower lash line. Ooh, what kind of blush should I do? Not pink, definitely not pink. We'll figure it out. Alright, now I am going to be going in with that gold, that fourth shade right here. And I'm going to be applying that with some Fix Plus, kind of to right here on the lid. And then I'm going to deepen it up with that dark brown. Sorry, softbox. Alright. Okay, so I wiped off my bake, and it's extremely ridiculous right now. I don't know why it looks like that, because it doesn't look like that in real life. I'm just trying to use some of these new brushes that I got, and apparently I just don't know what I'm doing with makeup. Unsubscribe! Alright, so I have this sprayed with Fix Plus, and I'm just going in this front part and then swooping this over to kind of the outer, what is this? The third of my eye right here. So we're just going very fall with this look. Was that even focused? I don't know. Right, so now I am going in with that dark fudgy brown color, and I'm going to be deepening up this outer corner here. I'm gonna kind of do a slight swoop. She's pigmented. Right, so now I'm just gonna, with my finger, use that transition, use that gold color again to just soften up this transition right here. Just barely tapping it in. Alright, I am going to be using a brush, just a basic blending brush, and I'm going to blend in these colors on the top here. And you can always add that lightest transition color and just softly blend out those edges, which is a great thing that we got that transition color in there, because if I didn't, that was probably one of the colors I would have had to pick. Alright, I'm going to clean up this edge real quick. So now I am going to go in with the lower lash line, and I'm actually going to go in with a pencil brush, and I'm going to be doing that navy blue right on that lower lash line here. And since I'm doing this navy blue, I haven't gotten the rest of my makeup yet, but I'm actually going to get a blue eyeliner and just kind of, you know, make that waterline blend in with this lower lash line. Alright, so I'm going to add just a little bit of black eyeliner to the top and just some mascara and lashes, and I'm going to get this other eye done. We'll be right back. Alright, so I have the eyes done, and I mean, for picking out these colors, I think I did okay with them. It was very difficult to work with, but I just feel very fall vibey right now, so I'm okay with this. Alright, now we're going to move on. I went ahead and picked out a blush, highlighter, and lipstick. So let's start with the blush, and the blush, I'm using the e.l.f. blush palette, and it's the dark version, and I really love these berry tones for fall and winter. And I am going in with this kind of tangerine orange color, and we're just going to be putting those on softly. And I am using my absolute favorite brush ever, the JH06. This is her like everything brush. It's a very perfection. That's what it is. So now I'm going in with the highlighter, and I bought a new highlighter. It's the Sleek Makeup in Cleopatra's Kiss, and it's these really pretty kind of like golds, bronzes, and this kind of peachy, dark brown peach color. So I'm actually going to do that for the highlighter today. And I have not used these yet as a highlighter, so we are going to experience this together. It's just very subtle. So actually, I thought it was going to be a lot more intense, but it is very subtle, and it has more of a, it's kind of like this peach shift to it, like a peach brown. So, I mean, it's not bad. I think it looks okay with this. I was hoping to pull more of those gold tones out from the eyeshadow. Actually, I think what I want to try, I'm going to go in with this gold one on top of it, just to see if that does anything different. Oh, it did. Did you guys see that? Oh, that made it much more gold. Oh, okay. I like that. We're gonna do that. That actually looks really pretty with this. Ooh, okay. Okay. Just highlighted my highlight. Happens all the time when we're like super, ooh, it's so pretty. Okay, love it. I was actually gonna return this because I thought it would be too deep for my skin, but nope, love it. I feel so ritzy ditzy. That's the word, right? Ritzy ditzy? Yeah, okay, that's what I feel. Feeling super ritzy ditzy today. And for the lipstick, I actually have a new lipstick too to try out. So it's kind of like a little full face of first impressions / palette roulette today. Alright, so if you guys saw that orange shade that I chose here, well, palette roulette chose it. But that orange shade, I kind of want to bring in a bit of that almost orange color again, just to amp up the fall vibes. And this is actually the new L'Oreal Color Riche, their kind of gold addiction collection. So the packaging is really pretty, and this is like a beautiful dark burnt pumpkin color, and it has gold flakes in it. So they had a whole variety of colors, but I really want to, oh, there it is, my lip, you're welcome. But I really wanted to try this orange color because I don't have colors like these in my collection. I had all the pinks, I had all the reds, the nudes, the berries. So I wanted to try this orange, and actually when you put it on, it's almost like a gloss. Like, it's sheer. And it's very wet looking. So it was a different formula than I was expecting. I was expecting it to be kind of like a matte, but it's almost like a gloss. I think just because of the formula, I'm probably not going to get any more shades, because I feel like this is something you would have to apply over and over and over again, and it is really sheer. But that's okay. I mean, this lip is, I didn't want to go too intense, so I just feel like that's the nice pop of color this look needed, minus that blue. But also blue, orange, and gold go really well together. Oh, and it is kind of grainy, those gold flakes. Alright, so that is the look I created with today's palette roulette using the Morphe 39A. If you guys enjoyed this, make sure to give this video a like and leave a comment. Subscribe if you haven't already. I would love to have you on my channel. And if you guys have created any looks using the 39A, make sure to let me know below, and I would love to go watch those. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! My daughter's going to be singing for you guys while we do this. So, congratulations. Why do you keep wanting to focus on that? Focus on my face. No, my face. Focus on my face. Hello?